One of the largest impacts global warming has on the Earth is the rise of sea level. The rise in sea level is due to the expansion of seawater as it warms and the melting of glaciers and the Antarctic and Greenland ice sheets. These changes pose a threat, but in some places more extreme while others less extreme. An increase in just several feet can cause astronomical change for coastal communities and sea life in specific areas. Future forecasts for sea level rise have predicted a more extreme rise along the east coast of the United States. One community that faces a great threat from rising sea level is the area around Myrtle Park in Norfolk, Virginia. This community is at risk of becoming obsolete because a segment of the area is being allowed to revert to wetlands, which is making the surrounding community more susceptible to flooding. The community is at great risk of destruction if sea level rises because it is already a low-lying area and it is prone to severe flooding. The sea level in Norfolk is already rising faster than the global average at an inch per year and is projected to continue to rise well above average rates. This is due to global warming and other external environmental factors such as the slowing of the Gulf Stream. The threat that rising sea level poses to the Norfolk community are immense and the destruction of neighborhoods are almost imminent. There are some temporary solutions to the problem already being exercised by the community. Many houses in the community are already raised several feet off the ground to reduce the damage from flooding. Serious changes in infrastructure have to be put into place in order for the community to survive the future forecasts, and a levee system or seawalls may have to be constructed to prevent catastrophic flooding. Norfolk is in an accelerated race versus time compared to the rest of the world, and their solutions to sea level rise will serve as an example for many other communities.